Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the planes, axes, and center points. In the previous videos, we briefly showed how to use them. We right-clicked and clicked on New Sketch, and that brought the planes to the screen, and we can select which one we want to use to create the sketch, and then we can create our 3D object from that sketch. So now I'm going to hit Escape on my keyboard, and that way I'm not creating that sketch. But notice that these planes and axes and center point are all grayed out, but you can hover on them and you can see the preview of each one. And I can just click on one of them and right click and select visibility. That will make the YZ plane visible on the screen. Similarly, we can do the same thing on XZ plane, or you can click on XY plane, hold shift and click on the center point, which is the bottom of the list, and you can select all of them, right click and hit visibility. Notice that Z axis, X axis, Y axis, XY plane, YZ plane, and XZ planes are all visible now. And now the center point in the middle is also visible. This is the center point of the space you're working with. And this is an unlimited space. This is the center point of all the planes and axes meet. So now, again, you can keep them visible like this, at first, and then you can just select all of them and right-click and turn off the visibility, and you can click on the minus sign next to the origin folder, and it can collapse the folder and go back to the beginning.